As autumn settled over the land, the leaves began their slow, graceful transformation. Once vibrant greens now shifted into shades of gold, amber, and crimson, painting the trees in warm, fiery hues. The air carried a gentle chill, and each gust sent clusters of leaves drifting softly to the ground. It was a time of change, a natural reminder that life, too, moves in seasons. For each leaf that fell, there was a story of growth, a journey from bud to full bloom, now reaching its end. But the beauty of autumn wasn't in the loss. It was in the brilliance of transition. The trees, standing tall, let go of what they no longer needed, trusting that new growth would come again. In their shedding, they made space for the winter's rest and spring's renewal. In life, we experience seasons much like the trees. We grow, flourish, and sometimes must let go of things we've held dear. Old habits, relationships, and parts of ourselves that no longer serve us must fall away, leaving room for new experiences, deeper understanding, and inner growth. Though it may feel like an ending, there is beauty in the change. Just as the tree stands strong through the turning of the year, we too can trust in the cycles of life. In the falling leaves, there is a quiet lesson. Change is not to be feared, but embraced, for it carries the seeds of new beginnings.